been a while since I put it on here. College had me on a chokehold for real. Today is a vlog day. I've never done a vlog on my channel. So I'm in a dorm. I got an opportunity to live in a dorm for about 2 to 3 days, and I will take it because I've never lived in a dorm before. So in a while I'm going to show you guys my room tour, but I just got here. My stuff are still on the bed. Hopefully the sound quality is nice. Hopefully it is. So my stuff is still on the bed. My luggage is right there. I'm gonna get my screen set up and then I'm gonna show you guys the tour. Stay tuned.
Your hair looks longer than last June. There's so much I've been dying to know about you. And I hope we haven't lost our way, 'cause it feels that way to me. But I know that when I see you.
So as I promised, I'm gonna give you guys a room tour. So right here is my roommate's, what do they call this place? I don't know. Closet. So here is my stuff. Over there is my stuff, my clothes for the conference. And I'm gonna, right here is the decks. Right here is the decks and or the wardrobe or whatever. So my stuffs are in here. If you open down here too, my stuff are in there. And here is my decks. I have my camera, some books. I have a cookie that I did not finish eating, my water bottle, a fruit I brought from home, and then my jacket. Finally is the bedside. So we're provided what's it called? A pillowcase, some bed sheets, and that's about it. This is my blanket, and that right there is my roommate's bed, and that's her right there too, watching Instagram reels. Started for the room tour. In a few minutes we have a conference to attend, and I'm gonna get ready for that. Or I'm already ready for that, but I'm gonna see you guys later. She can even take a bath in here. Oh my god, that's crazy.
Skylines paint the night, spinning our favorite songs, holding you tight.
So last night I couldn't even do it after my conference because I was having so much fun. Many fun. I don't know, I think it's currently 6 or something. I didn't remember. Because I finished charging and I already did my prayer. And now because breakfast is at 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. I want to take my bath right now and also do my toiletries. So I'm gonna see you guys in a bit.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right.
Hey guys, I'm back in the dorm. I left around 8 something, 8:03, and I'm just getting back, and it's 6. I don't know if you can see that. My phone is, I don't know where my phone. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah. It's currently 6:27, and I feel like I had a lot of impactful session today. Like I went from like workshops to workshops, and you know, I met a lot of great empowering women, and it was so nice just to see like women who are like-minded like me to be in the same room asking questions. And it's been a very great conference so far. So I just came back from dinner, and the dinner was delightful as always, as the breakfast and everything. I also got some things from exhibitors, so I'm gonna be doing a haul later. Right now, I'm so tired. I woke up around 6. I've been out about. I've just been walking and walking. So I'm here resting, and I want to get ready for the award dinner that we're gonna have at 7:30 or 8 o'clock. I'm not sure. Then after we have like a get together with everybody, and they said it's gonna have like drinks, bowling. So I'm looking forward to that. I just want to keep you guys updated. Everything is so nice. Like UMB is such a good school, except for the fact that it's expensive. Except like hopefully like if you were to come here, like the room are not always cold, because it's cold in here right now. I've worn hoodie and it's like 70 something outside, and it's not pleasant. But other than that, the bathroom are clean. Everywhere is clean, no dust in the hair. So I'm gonna go rest, and I'm going to see you guys when I'm getting ready for my work. So right now I'm getting ready. My outfit is very simple. It's a square neck, long gown, kind of like an office attire, sort of. So I'm gonna take my hair down and I'm gonna add a bow to it. So this is gonna be my accessory at the back. It's gonna look beautiful. Today is the last day, so I'm gonna get ready. This was such a very good experience. Very nice trip. So sad to leave, but well, things have to happen. So right now I'm just finishing up my packing. My luggage are right there. Trying to unlay the bed so that it can be wear.